Oh, special marine warning.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather
Hold on, let me
Service
turn this one off.
issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 4 p.m. At 1:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of McHenry to near Elgin to 9 nautical miles south of Aurora, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Chris, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor. The National Weather Service Harbor, Calumet Harbor issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana, Richmond. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Roscoe, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beloit, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Tiffany, Millard, Avalon, Delavan Lake, and Bugs Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.